means a form of energy which is due to intermolecular motion flows from high temperature to low temperature. Can I say it is heat? When you rub your palm over another due to friction, do you feel that your palm gets heated? Then we touch our face. Sometimes we feel happy during winter.
Yeah.
और कभी कभी टीचर ने जोर का बजा दिया तो पूरा गाल गर्म हो जाता है ना. Now we feel sad, no? So that means that transfer of that heat, which is energy from cold body to hot body to cold body, is in the form of energy. So if they say what is heat, actually heat is energy. So can I say heat is the internal energy? देख के समझ में आएगा क्या हॉट बॉडी है क्या कोल्ड बॉडी है? बिहेवियर से समझेगा ना. So heat is
we have to write today.
No, today you don't write. Don't write. Just listen.
Okay.
So heat is internal energy of molecules constituting the body. What is heat? It is internal energy. Kiska? Of molecules constituting the body. It flows from where to where? From body at high temperature to body at
low temperature.
Okay. Suppose both the bodies are at same temperature, then
no flow of heat will take place.
what is that condition called?
It won't be
Equilibrium, thermal
It is
equilibrium.
called thermal equilibrium. Yes. So it flows from body at high temperature to body at low temperature. Fixed definition they will ask. What is heat? It is internal energy of molecule constituting the body, flows from body at high temperature to the body at low temperature. Is heat, which is energy, measurable quantity or non-measurable?
Measurable.
That means it has got unit or not?
Uh,
Its unit will be same as that of
energy.
Energy. So what is SI unit of heat?
Joule.
Correct. SI unit of heat is joule, denoted as J. What will be then CGS unit? Erg.
Sir, it will be
Erg, na? Erg. 1 joule is how many erg? 10 raised to 7 erg. Any doubt till this?
No.
It is internal energy
No.
of molecule. Inside है, बाहर से दिखता नहीं. किधर से flow होएगा? High temperature to low. Unit is joule in SI and erg in CGS. Now to avoid confusion, heat energy है क्या, work वाला है क्या, कौन सा वाला है? We generally write heat as calorie. Generally, SI unit is joule, CGS unit calorie, but usually written as what? Sorry, erg, and usually written in calorie.
Calorie.
Or
अच्छा तो kilocalorie is
or in kilocalorie. 1 kilocalorie is equals to 1000 calorie. Very, very important relation between joule and calorie. Very important. Fix they will ask. This you can write in your book. 1 calorie equals to 4.186 joule. Approximately we can say 4.2 joule. 1 calorie 4.86 joule, which is same as 4.2 joule. Write down this one only. Or 1 joule is 0.214 calorie. This you please remember. 1 joule is 10 raised to 7 erg. Completed this much? This 3.1 calorie 4.186 joule or 4.2 joule.
Sir, can we write it afterwards only, because then we'll have to write definition and all also.
No, no, that I will give you the print. I will send today only. Don't worry. This you just write down so that you remember na, when you write.
Okay.
I'm clearing this. Can I clear heat wala part? Calorie, kilocalorie, everything.
Yeah, sir.
Okay. Who will decide the flow of heat? Heat present or temperature? Who will decide flow of heat? Quantity of heat or temperature? Very important. Who will decide flow of heat?
Temperature.
Yes. See, मेरे पास 1,00,000 रुपए है, आपके पास 1,000 है, बिल भी तो होना चाहिए ना देने के लिए.
हाँ.
तो ज्यादा पैसा है मतलब आई कैन गिव? नो नो, दिलदार होना चाहिए ना उसके लिए. तो हीट है, दैट डजंट मीन इट विल फ्लो. टेम्परेचर ज्यादा है देन इट विल. सो हु इज द डिसाइडिंग फैक्टर? Temperature.
Temperature.
Yes. Now, when a hot body is kept in contact with cold body, then we feel that hot body will become less hot, because hot body will supply heat. Okay. So if it is supplying means it is losing heat.
Yeah.
So hot body will become less hot or not, and cold body will become more hot, that means less cold, है ना?
Yeah.
So hot body will become less hot, cold body will become less cold. So can I say body which is giving heat is at higher temperature than the body which receives heat? This is 30 degree, this is 10 degree. Heat will flow from where to where?
From 30 to 10.
30 to 10. Now this becomes suppose 25. So this will become after some time 15, na?
Yeah.
This becomes 20. This also becomes 20. Now there will be no flow from hot to cold or cold to hot. This is called thermal equilibrium.
Okay.
So body at higher temperature, then the cold body will become less hot. It will supply more heat, but after some time it will come in thermal equilibrium. So can I say temperature is that quantity which determines the direction of flow of heat?
Yes, sir.
It is also called as thermal state of the substance or degree of hotness or coldness. So temperature is yes.
Sir, 1 erg is 1 calorie?
No.
Okay.
1 erg cannot be 1 calorie. 1 calorie is different identity. It is 4.2 joule. That means 1 calorie will be 4.2 into 10 raised to 7 erg.
Okay, got it.
Yes. So temperature is a quantity which tells the thermal state. There's a solid, liquid, gas is physical state. So temperature tells about thermal state of a body. कोई क्या बोलता है ना, अरे आज मत जा टीचर के पास, बहुत भड़का है टीचर. भड़का है मतलब उसका स्टेट बता रहे ना वो. फिर कोई बोलेगा नहीं मेरे पहले ना एक जाके आया वो टीचर का दिमाग गर्म कर दिया. तो क्या बोल रहे हो, स्टेट ऑफ दैट टीचर और नॉट?
Yeah.
मतलब कितना टीचर ठंडा है कितना गर्म है. दूसरा बोला नहीं आज जा टीचर कुछ देख ही नहीं रहे, ऐसे चेक कर रही है, एकदम ठंडी है. So that means it is telling me regarding state of that person. That means he is wild or he is timid or he is unnecessary shouting. तो हम लोग बोलते हैं ना अरे बहुत दिमाग गर्म हो गया. दिमाग गर्म हो गया मतलब क्या हो गया है? दिमाग गरम मतलब क्या?
Angry.
Angry, yes. That means not stable mind, na? So temperature is a quantity which tells the thermal state of body. Thermal state means degree of hotness and or coldness of the body. It determines the direction of flow of heat when two bodies at different temperature are brought in contact. I cannot say at my place I am having fever, then at your place my fever will get transferred to you. We should come in contact. If my parents touch my body, they feel heated. Somebody is not touching me, he will not feel heated. So two bodies should be in contact for flow. So heat is internal energy of molecule constituting the body, and temperature is the degree of hotness, coldness, which determines flow of heat when two bodies are at different temperature and brought in contact. Unit of heat is joule, erg, calorie, kilocalorie. But temperature SI unit is in Kelvin, denoted by K. But usually we measure in degrees Celsius. SI unit is in Kelvin, but generally we measure in degrees Celsius. So there are three favorite scale for measuring the temperature. One is called as Celsius scale. Here starting temperature is called ice point, which is marked 0 degree, and final temperature is called boiling point in thermometer. Fahrenheit is another scale for measuring the temperature of body. Here ice point is 32 degree and boiling point is 221. Third is Kelvin scale, where 0 degree Celsius corresponds to minus 273 Kelvin. Hello?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So how many
Hello?
scales, how many scales are there total?
3.
3 scale. If I want to get Kelvin wala, then to T degree Celsius we have to add 273. No?
Yes.
So that means if it is 0 degree Kelvin, so can I say it is 273 degrees Celsius?
Yeah.
What is 27 degrees Celsius? 27 plus 273 in Kelvin, okay?
Yes.
So minus 273 degrees Celsius is minus 273 plus 273. That means 0 Kelvin or not?
Yeah.
Okay. अभी एक खाली point आपको लिखना है. If paper is difficult, they can ask.
Sir, where does Kelvin scale start?
Kelvin scale starts with 0 Kelvin, which is equal to minus 273 degrees Celsius.
Okay. Sir, there is one point also, na, where all these 3 scales meet.
That is called triple point of water.
4 degree, aisa. 4.
That is, yes, perfect. That is nothing but a pressure of 4 millimeter and at 4 degrees. Right now we are not coming to that. Just see again.
Sure.
If I want conversion factor. So whenever you have to convert from one degree to another, then for degree Celsius, its starting temperature is 0 minus T degree upon 100 division. Then T Kelvin, T degree Fahrenheit, minus of 32 degree upon total there are 180 division. This equals to T Kelvin, no, minus 273 because this is its starting 1 upon 100. That means one division for all the scale is same, whatever unit it is. So if it is any temperature T, if I start from 0, Total division how much? 100. Enough.
Yeah.
And here total division from 32 to 212. Will it be 180?
Yeah. Sir, what is T degree?
T means any value. 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, any degree.
Minus 0 upon 100.
For Celsius. Minus 32 upon 180 for Fahrenheit. Minus 273 upon 100 for Kelvin. Sabka one unit is same
Sir,
to same.
how are these derived? How are these derived?
Pardon?
Sir, how are these derived? How are these formulas derived?
They are derived by using graph. Graph of T degree, Celsius and Fahrenheit. When it starts from 0, either Fahrenheit. When T is 0, this is 32. तो ऐसा ग्राफ आ जाता है.
Okay.
ये मैं आपको अभी नहीं बताऊंगा, नहीं तो अपना पहले पूरा सिलेबस हो जान दो. Then all this extra I will explain. Right now I'm doing to get full mark. Whatever is needed that I am doing.
Yeah, sir.
चलो वापस एक बार. What is meaning of temperature? Degree of hotness or coldness of a body is called as temperature. It determines flow of heat from the high temperature to low temperature when two bodies are in contact. What is SI unit of temperature? Kelvin. By mistake, don't write Celsius. But usually measure in Celsius.
Kelvin. And Fahrenheit only in US.
Fahrenheit, mostly it is used for measuring the temperature of the body.
The doctor tells in Fahrenheit only.
Yes, doctor will tell in Fahrenheit generally.
100, 101, 102.
Correct. T Kelvin is always T degrees Celsius plus 273. That means 0 degrees Celsius plus 273 becomes T Kelvin. So if this is T, minus 73 will become 0 degrees Celsius. So if it is 0 Kelvin, then minus 273 is 0 degrees Celsius. So 0 degrees Celsius is nothing but what? Minus 273 Kelvin. Okay.
Okay.
This Kelvin scale is at 0 degree Kelvin. This value is called as absolute zero. 0 degree Kelvin, 0 Kelvin is called as what? Absolute zero. एक स्केल का एक बारे में. Celsius scale has minimum mark as 0 degrees Celsius called as ice point, and maximum mark is 100 degrees Celsius called as boiling point or steam point. Okay. And total there are 100 degrees.
Sir, boiling point
or steam point. Steam.
Okay.
And on Fahrenheit scale, 32 Fahrenheit is called as ice point and 212 Fahrenheit is called boiling point. There are total 180 division. And in case of Celsius scale, it starts with 0 Kelvin up to 100 Kelvin. Again, there are 100 division. This 0 is called absolute zero. Okay. Hello.
Yeah.
Okay, sir.
So each division, एक division का value same रहेगा. So one division के लिए I can have T degrees Celsius upon 100. So I get 100 degree divided by 100, one division का value. This will become same way T Fahrenheit minus 32. इसका 0 याद रखना upon 1. Then Kelvin का 0 is 273 upon 100. Okay, followed?
Okay, understood.
So whenever
Sir, means this is basically it's degree minus starting point upon 100.
Correct.
Number of divisions.
One question I'm giving. At what temperature Celsius will be same as Fahrenheit? height. Suppose,
minus 40, right?
correct. Let us check. Let the value be x. So x degree minus 0 upon 100 is x Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 180. Both are same thing. 20 into 5, 20 into 9. So 9x equal to 5x minus 5 into 2 is 10. 5 into 3, 15, 116. So it will become minus 4x equal to minus 160. Therefore, plus 4x. So x equal to minus 160 upon 4. That means minus 40 degrees Celsius is same as minus 40 Fahrenheit. Both are same at that value, 40, 40. Just copy this sum. They can ask you this in exam.
Sir, there is some relation also between that Celsius and Fahrenheit, 5 upon 18.
This is same. This is same. Same.
This is just not multiplied. They do cross
Same,
multiply.
no, are same, na? Cross multiply.
Yeah.
This is Celsius. This is Fahrenheit. So what you will get? Celsius minus 0 upon 100 is Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 180. 20 into 5, 20 into 9. So Celsius upon 5 is Fahrenheit minus 32 upon 9. Same relation.
Shall we write this?
This sum you write. This sum.
Yeah, and sir, the portion is full heat chapter.
Full which chapter?
No, sir, I'm asking portion is full heat chapter or something is omitted.
No, your teacher didn't told you.
Sir, like.
Because what feedback I got from your school, it is only 6A, global warming, and one more thing is there.
Yeah, sir, mostly something is omitted.
Now many things, 6B is fully
Yeah,
omitted.
sir. Sir, 6A is there, and then global warming ka definition, and there was one more thing. Jiska only definition was there, I'll tell you.
Greenhouse
effect.
Yeah, 2 definitions and
Yeah.
part.
Yes.
Only those definitions and part.
No problem. Next lecture this will get over.
So tomorrow also at 9:30, no?
If you can manage at 9, it will be better. Not the 9:30 will start, don't worry.
Sir, 9:15 तक class है.
नहीं 9:30 रखेंगे, हाई नहीं करें. Done?
Sir, 1 second.
પપ્પા ઘડિયાળ ખરાબ થઈ ગઈ છે, મેં પાછી સેટ કરી દીધી.
થઈ ગયો બધાનો થઈ ગયો?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Sir, 1 second.
ઘડિયાળ બગડી ગયો છે.
Done, sir, done, sir.
Okay. What is meaning of thermal? Heat, no?
Yeah.
And expansion means increasing the
Increase in
dimension. So can I say expansion of substance on heating is called as thermal expansion of the substance? If it is expanding by putting load, then it is called elasticity. But by heating, if it is expanding, then it is called thermal expansion. Solid has got definite shape.
Yes.
So it will expand in length, breadth, as well as height. So it has got 3 expansion: linear expansion, that is length; superficial, that is aerial expansion; and cubical expansion, which is volume. Okay. Who expands more, solid or liquid? Who expands more, solid or liquid?
Sir, I guess liquids.
Liquid will expand more. And what about liquid, solid, liquid, gas then? Gas expands maximum. Gas will expand more than liquid. Liquid will expand more than solid. Okay.
Yeah.
But there are some abnormal behavior wala substance. They don't expand on heating, but they contract at certain condition. That behavior is called as anomalous behavior of substance. Means indirectly abnormal behavior of substance. Generally, what will happen? Heated means expand. Cooled means contract. But
Correct.
suppose it is giving ulta behavior, then it is called abnormal. That means which behavior?
Anomalous.
Anomalous.
Sir,
We have to study, 1 minute, anomalous behavior of water. We have to study this. Yeah, now what you are telling?
yeah, sir, gases expand because their forces of attraction are weaker, so less heat is required to break them, na? Or there is some other reason?
No, same reason.
Okay.
Same reason. One minute. Hello? हाँ है 2 मिनट को एक लेक्चर चालू है. So this behavior which is not normal, I have remembered it is abnormal, but in our physics language it is called anomalous behavior. Okay. So in simple, what is anomalous behavior? Generally, all the substance on heating expands and on cooling contracts. But if substance expand on cooling and contract on heating, that behavior will be called as anomalous behavior. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Water, when it is cooled from 4 degree to 0, then it expands, not contracts. This expansion of water, when it is cooled from 4 degree to 0 degree, is called as anomalous behavior of water. I hope till this you all have followed.
Yeah, sir.
So today we'll stop here. Next class I will be able to complete. Today evening only all my lecture gets over. I will take the photograph of the notes, convert into PDF and send.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Sir, and
sir.
from 0 to 4, 0 to 4 it contracts, na?